Hey guys, we have the car key to our Toyota Corolla, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the battery that is inside of this key. Okay, so first we're going to take a look at the top of the key, and you see here this little gap here, this little crack, and that's where we open this up, and we're going to just simply use a simple penny to wedge in there. But before we start doing that, we have to make sure we hold the key in the correct orientation, because we have to make sure that these buttons here don't fall out as soon as we open up. So the best way to hold the key is with the Toyota emblem facing up and the buttons facing down. So now we can just wedge the penny in here into this little gap, and then we're twisting the penny, and this will open up this cover here. And in order to prevent the buttons from falling out, I just placed the key on my table. And now we can remove this little component here that has all the electronics and the batteries inside. And when we take another look here at the corner here that I'm pointing at, that's where we find another of these little areas that we can wedge our penny into. There's also a small arrow pointing to it. So here we're going to do the same thing, just wedge the penny in there and then twist it around. And you have to twist this one quite a bit. So if you don't twist it enough, then you still can't open it up. Very easy. So twist a little bit more, and then eventually this black cover here will come off, and then we can here already see now the battery. And we're going to take a look at the type of the battery, and that is here CR2016. So this is a simple 3-volt coin cell, and we should be able to find these kind of batteries in auto parts stores, gas stations, or even grocery stores. And now removing the old battery is really simple. You simply slide the battery a little bit to the left, and then on the right side you're going to wedge our fingernail into the little gap that opens up, and then you can easily wiggle out the battery. And then installing the new battery is just as simple. We first push the battery against those metal springs that we see on the left side, and then we can just completely drop in the battery, and it should be able to just stay in place right away. Now we can start to reassemble everything again, and we start out with this little black plastic cover that only fits in one orientation, so you can't make any mistakes here. And then we take the shell of the key again, and we have to make sure that these little buttons here don't accidentally fall out. You just see this one on the left, that one just came out without me even really doing anything. See, this one really is kind of loose. All of them are kind of loose. And then we place this module here right back into the key, and you have to make sure that you orientate this right. See where the those little dots that you see here, those are for the buttons. Just place the module right in there, and then we're going to cover this up with the Toyota logo and just press it firmly until it clicks into position, and now we're already done. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, then leave a message below.